welcome to this guy's channel.
Hello.
So we're gonna be unboxing this.
Yeah, I don't really like princesses.
Tony, be grateful. He got this for his birthday. Want me to open it for you?
Yeah, from yesterday.
Oh, wait, no.
Okay. Sorry, everyone. What if it comes out in the bag?
Alright.
We're gonna unbox this. It's kind of like a Labubu because I don't know why. Do you like my wicked shape?
Okay. This is what. Oops. This is what it's with. We have like a stick. We have like 3 pretzels.
Yeah, it's pencils.
We have a ruler. We have 3 pencils.
3 pencils.
And then we have a little sketchbook.
Yeah, so we need a
Yeah,
sketch.
that's super small. And then we have an eraser.
An eraser.
It's like so small. Look at it compared to my hand.
Compared to what?
There's another thing.
Oh, Isa, look.
We have and there's a sharpener. We have a sharpener. And let's see what this is. I think it's gonna be colored pencils or like a watercolor.
Isa.
Okay. Oh my gosh, it has like
Isa, when we're finished with this, do we keep doing it where we want to do?
I don't know. Alright, it's fine.
Dang.
Oh, it's nothing. Who would have thought if it was nothing? No, don't stop. There's nothing. I thought it was colors.
Don't block my screen.
By the way, guys, I have my own YouTube channel, so subscribe to me too. It's the _Smila_Diva. And this is
Tony.
my little brother.
I can carry it.
What?